What do you expect with the things that you've seen? Well, that'll work, doesn't seem to work too well with drug addiction. Suffer the price of humanity. This is a war, not a fist fight. There's not a cure if these embers burn bright. Take voyage across the sea. Join the casket lottery. We cry no, no, no.
You're now at 2 minutes.
There he goes. Oh no, there's another one! Get away, get away! More!
Keep singing off.
Belch, chug!
Belch, do it! You're gonna win!
Don't let them out puke you, Belch. Come on, Belch. Do it.
We have 2 minutes.
Come on, Buttons, you can do it too!
Belch. Holy crap! Holy crap, dude.
War! This is a war, not a fist fight. There's not a cure if these embers burn bright. Take voyage across the sea. Join the casket lottery.
Cup of milk.
8, 7, 6,
Chug.
Come on.
3, 2, 1.
0.
Up.
Time.
Oh! Oh yeah, he did that! That is awesome!
I feel so liberated. Oh, Jesus, this is wonderful.
No, it was after.
Yeah, it was after.
You're the 6 minutes and 10 seconds.
Did I win?
Yeah, by default, you didn't puke.
No, he puked after.
But his milk wasn't gone.
Yeah.
His milk isn't gone. His milk is all the way gone.
Oh.
I am so angry.
Wait. Well, do we need to have another Asda court
Tomorrow,
on this?
rematch.
Belch, do you want to barf? You can now.
Do you have napkins?
We're live with Opie. This is Post Milk Challenge Asda 2007. Oh wait, one second, Scully. So Opie, I missed most of the contest, like I told all the other contestants. But I heard you went out first with a first vomit.
You know what? It's really much more of a spectator sport than anything else. And with it's the same reason people go to rodeos. You know, they want to see someone get stepped on by a bull.
Wow.
I figured I would induce the stepping by throwing up, and then it was just like dominoes after that. Except for Belch, the freaking champ.
So I think you consider yourself more of an entertainer than an athlete in this case.
Well, it's kind of like sports entertainment, you know.
Gotcha.
It's there's a certain amount of athleticism that goes into this, as well as, I'm a trained professional. I wouldn't recommend anyone does this at home without, supervision. We had med staff here and everything.
Right.
But it is ultimately about the fans, Sure, Belch won, but she's miserable right now, and I'm pretty happy, so.
That's true. What does it take? How do you get through it? Andy, or Buttons, does his little dancing and prancing. Elder just uses pride. What do you use? What does it take?
Just sheer stubbornness, I think.
Really?
It's just you gotta, you commit to yourself. I don't want to puke. And inevitably it happens unless you're Belch.
Gotcha.
She has an inability to puke.
And just for the record, what position do you hold at Camp Asda?
Opie. I'm lead behavioral specialist.
Excellent. Okay.
Opiate.
Excellent. Opiate.
Opie.
Very good, very good. Well, thank you, Opie, for the post-show interview.
Thank you.
Yeah.
No, no.